Hello everyone, I'm Tripurna Chakraborty. I'm a fifth year PhD student working from Pandit Deendayal Energy University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, in collaboration with Water Center IIT Bombay. I'm going to be talking about innovative membranes which are used for water pollution. It is a small glimpse of my PhD research area. Now, water pollution is caused by different kind of anthropogenic activities that is caused by human beings. They release different kind of dyes, industrial matter, other than that oils, which cause contamination of the water. This is not only unfit for human consumption, but also for it is affecting the flora and fauna. Conventional methods easily help in removing a large amount of them, but are not able to remove from the root level, that is in the micro level. Over here, what is the magic is the nanotechnology. Nanocomposites, mostly because of their small size and increased surface area and due to the different surface charges, help in the removal of such contaminants. We are going to look into it. Have you ever seen how a coffee filter works? It's filtering one thing at a time, right? But we need to filter more than one thing, that is three things at one time. I know it sounds futuristic, but what over here my smart membrane is doing is we are adding the montmorillonite and cucurbituril into the PVDF polymer. What we do is that is three problems having one solution basically. So what we do is adding of montmorillonite, which is a flat sheet kind of clay naturally occurring. This helps in adsorption of the dyes. Also, it acts as a matrix for the attachment of cucurbituril molecule. Now, cucurbituril, which is also known as CB, this is a synthetic molecule having a pumpkin-shaped structure with a hollow cavity. It selectively traps cationic dyes instead of anionic dyes because of its surface charge. Due to this, it helps in the repulsion of the anionic dyes and also protein molecules which are very huge in size. Therefore, now we see that there is a single solution which can help in removal of three problems at a membrane filtration stage. However, the primary and the secondary stages can be complemented with this so that it can be prevented with fouling. Into this slide, we'll see some real insights of the studies that has been carried on. Addition of montmorillonite and cucurbituril into a PVDF polymer has not only enhanced its lifespan but also has shown a good separation efficiency. It is giving more than 1.3x increase in the water flow, more than 2x removal of the cationic dyes, 1.3x removal of anionic dyes, and more than 2x removal of the oil water molecules and the BSA protein, that is the bovine serum albumin, it's a cow protein. Now, it shows more than 75% water flux recovery even after 7 cycles of filtration, which is a commendable thing for a membrane at its level. Now, how does it do? What are they acting about? They are helping with the SARS exclusion therapy and the host-guest chemistry, wherein CP6 acts as a host for acting for different kinds of dyes, whereas it also repels because of its surface charge, preventing the fouling on its surface. Hence, this can be an efficient way of preventing water pollution in many ways.